Motocross is just one of those sports where it's all on you and no one else, and when you really accomplish something, you're really proud of yourself because you know that you did it. You didn't have someone else there or a teammate to help you. It's just all on you. When you really hit a corner fast or do a new jump, and you always get that feeling like you're so proud of yourself, and or when you get that first moto win, or when you get the overall for the day knowing you're the fastest guy, it really just ups your spirits because you came and did what you wanted to do.
Even when the tide gets high, we can drown into the ground.
Right, motocross, it's not something you just go out there and do and be good at it. You gotta start out when you're little or whatever age you start out. It's cool, just don't expect to be number one. Everybody takes it serious when you're out there. There's times you're gonna fall, it's just matters how fast you get back up. So next time you see a bike, just go take it out to the track and just give motocross a chance. It really inspired me.